welcome back to my channel, my Vibrant Beauties. Welcome if you are new. I'm your girl Lette, and I wanted to talk about my August beauty faves in this video. So if you want to see what you need in your collection, your beauty collection, please stay tuned. So here are some of my beauty faves that I've been loving just August. I've discovered a few of them before August, but I mean, they made it to this video, okay? So first I'm going to go in with concealers. Jouer. My one layer foundation routine would not be the same without these Jouer high coverage liquid concealer. It's the essential one, and I use both amber and coffee. These right here, they're full coverage. They're thick, but they're not thick to where it's heavy. And these right here, listen y'all, these are everything to me. I will continue. This is like my second batch, and I'm almost on my third since I found these back in, I want to say maybe last year, but haven't really spoke about them too much. I just love these. You need these. And I'll link the link onto Sephora or Jouer to show you how to get these and how much they are. Next is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Marker Powder. So I have two. This is the shade in 2 medium or medium 2. It seems lighter than it is on camera, to be honest, and I also have 3 dark, or dark, whatever. I use these to set under my eyes before I go into before I put any powder on to catch fallout, before I bake. I really don't bake under my eyes. I just use this to set. And then the other one that I really love, and I don't have it on hand right now, is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, and I use that in 330 Toffee. The best things to set under your eyes with and in the center of your face, basically everywhere you put that Jouer concealer. Okay, next I'm going to talk about Beauty Bakeries blending eggs. So they come in a carton. These are the softest but yet most blendable. They're a blending egg. But these are the most, oh my gosh, they're everything. They blend out so smooth. They're soft to the touch, they're soft to the face, they're easy to clean. I don't know, these right here, I just love these. I will continue and keep reusing them. Speaking of blending things out, I love these little makeup sponges, and this is what I use to put on that Charlotte Tilbury. And then you can get these at Ulta. I think they come in a pack of 2 for $1.99 or something like this, but you can clean these like you clean your beauty blenders or your blenders. So to clean my beauty blenders, I actually use this blender. It's by Beauty Blender, but it's a blender cleanser. Solid. It's a 1 ounce solid, and it comes like this. But you take this out, and it's so cute. It has like a little butterfly, which is me. And then it comes like it's a solid, and you wet your sponge under, I usually use hot water, and then I just roll it around and then squeeze it and work the product in so it gets everything out. As you can see, this blender is like clean, and then this clean. Like I just cleaned those, so this is, I will, like I said, I will list all the products below and their price points, but this is everything to me. And then, you guys, this was in my last video. I fell in love. And I'm going to say it made it to the tail end of August, but this is the Dose of Colors Supreme Glow Highlighter, and gold is the new black. This right here color, do you see that highlight though? Do you not, do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh. It's so buttery, creamy. Oh, listen, I love this highlighter. Like, yes, this is probably going to be a staple for a while, but it made it on the list. Speaking of Dose of Colors, all their Vault collection, it was on sale for, I want to say $135 for all 7 palettes. Yes, you need these in your life, whether it's the Sassy Siennas, which is all matte. They blend so smoothly. They're buttery. I love that you get like different themes with each palette. So there's the Sassy Siennas, the Pretty Cool, the Smoky Soiree, the one that I used in the last video, the Baked Browns, the Cutting Edge, and I used this in a previous video as well, the Marvelous Mauves, and the Blushing Berries. I can't wait to play in the rest of them. Like, I've used 3 of them, and I can't wait to play in the rest of them, because actually, did I use 3 or 4? I think I've used 4. Everything to me. Like, I will use these. Like, use them to blend out harsh edges. You can. These things are so buttery and creamy. Now, they do give a little kickback in the pan, but if it doesn't bother you, it doesn't bother me, to be honest. I love these. Face. This Tatcha, this is the mini one, and I'm gonna get the bigger one now that I've been playing with this. This is the best primer. Like, I can't even talk because it's so good. Like, this right here, it comes like this, and of course I scoop it out because I do use it on people, like clients. So I scoop it out with my little scooper that I clean every time I use any products. This right here is so silky and smooth. It basically is its name, the Silk Canvas Primer. I absolutely and utterly love this primer. Next is the Dermablend Professionals Illuminating Banana Powder. It's not harsh. It doesn't feel heavy. It's like, I just use it to brighten up in the areas where, like, you see my brightness in my T-zone and up under these. I usually put it right here to catch fallout, but I also shape the nose with this. You guys, this is like amazing. And last but certainly not least is the Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer, and I got it in the shade Leader. When I tell you the reason why I love this, it gives like the perfect bronze effect. This has actually replaced my Fenty Beauty, and I thought nothing would replace my Fenty Beauty, okay? I thought my Fenty Beauty was going to be forever. This has surprisingly Yeah, and I know the price point of this one, but I'm still going to list it below. This is like $19, but you see the size of this? This thing is huge. I love it. So yeah, so my Vibrant Beauties, that is all I have for my August favorites. Let me know what your August beauty faves are down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You know, we're fun over here. You know, we keep it popping with some beauty favorites, some vlogs every now and then. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you notice or you get notified every time I upload. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And help this little channel grow. I'm so excited. I love you all. With that being said, Lette out.